So I need to get a little bit of sound footage of this gorgeous Daytona, Cobra Daytona coupe. These were the hardtop versions. You've probably seen many of the roadsters, the convertibles. These were designed to have better aerodynamics than the roadsters did and gain much better top speeds. And it certainly worked. They won, I think, every race they got in. This is the factory 5 version of that. Beautiful small block with 2 4s, aluminum heads, super lightweight, great suspensions, big rubber, ceramic coated headers, and modern air conditioning too. Keep you cool on those long summer cruises. 2 4-barrel carburetors, you gotta love it. All right, Rob, why don't you fire it up and let's hear this pussycat. Side exhaust. This was a radical design in 1965. And when you drive this car, Rob and I have both driven this car, people just stop in their tracks. They have no idea what it is. Let's rev it up a little bit. Yeah, buddy. And the nice thing about this car is when you're idling and just cruising around, it's not obnoxious loud. When you come into the neighborhood, it probably won't make the neighbors up. But when you want to get going, this car will flat get it on. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I'm Jeff Whitaker. If you want to get this beauty in your garage, give me a call. You can reach me at 410-562-9319. Thanks for looking.